Welcome to another time in Let's Math It. This is another question from terminal exams for secondary school students, and these are questions that you should take seriously. Please, there is something I need us to know. When you have a tangent, what's a tangent? A line that touches the circumference of a circle at just one point. That's different from a secant. Now, a secant goes through, but a tangent touches it at one point. So this is a tangent, this is a secant. So this is a tangent. Now, any radius from the center of the circle hitting a tangent does that at 90 degrees. So any radius hitting a tangent does that is perpendicular to the tangent. The radius is perpendicular to the tangent. So here is 90 degrees. So that key thing, that thing we just said now, is of utmost importance to this particular question. Now let's see how this is important. Now watch this carefully. This question should happen in seconds. When I mean seconds, I mean 25 seconds. Now once you see the tangent and the radius, this is 90 degrees. And if it's 90 degrees, this is 130. Now, we already know that this is 180. Now, 180 plus 130 plus LOM, this angle here, will give you 360. Why? Angle at a point. So let's start from there. Now, line NON is 180 degrees, angle on a straight line. We also know that MON is 130 degrees, as stated. Now, LOM, that's LOM. When I mean LOM, I mean this angle right here. That angle, LOM, okay? LOM, and that LOM is 360 minus LON plus MON. So we have 360 minus 180 plus 130, right? So 360 degrees. 180 plus 130 will give us 310. And the difference is what? 50 degrees. Now, we know here to be 50 degrees. Here is what? 50 degrees. Now, do you see what I see? I think you do. Let's bring it out. 90, 50. So, angles in a triangle. So we have 50 plus 90 plus, let's just call that LON, OLN, OLN. This should give us what? 180 degrees. Sum of angles in a triangle, right? Sum of angles in a triangle. Okay. So 180 degrees equals 140 degrees plus OLM. OLM. So subtract 140 from both sides. OLM is 180 degrees minus 140 degrees. And OLM is what? 40 degrees. Follow, subscribe, and please share. A lot of students are writing exams this period, and they need to know what are likely questions to watch out for. Thank you for joining us on this section, on this segment of Let's Math It. See you next time while we math it.